Hey y'all, back with another Insta360 Link 2 video, and the question was, how do you change Insta360 Link 2 resolution to 1080p 60 frames per second? Well, I'm in the Insta360 Link Controller app. I'm using a Mac, and see down here towards the bottom left, you can choose among various resolutions. I've got 4K 30 frames per second. You can choose 1080p 30 frames per second. You can choose 720p 30 frames per second. But to answer your question, at least within this app interface, I do not see a 1080p 1080p 60 frames per second option. So if it's there, it's buried somewhere else. Wanted to post this video, hope this video helps, but that's what I've got. I'm using 4K 30, but if anybody has a solution, comment below because I'm sure a lot of people would want to hear it. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.